You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in Iraq. For more names of different cities, locations in the country and around the world, make sure to stay tuned. If you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned to the channel. Fallujah. Fallujah. Stress on that second lu syllable. Fallujah. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.